Let us search for the portal USGS Earth Explorer, that is US Geological Survey portal. So on this portal, you need to create your login ID and login. So as I have already created my login ID, I can just directly sign in to this portal. In search criteria, you can see in geocoder option, there is select a geocoding method. So you can select address place. That is the second option, so that you can type the name of the location you want to search. That is your study area. So for example, if I type Nashik and I click on the button, show button, so you can see the name of location appears. And if I click on the same on the map, a place mark appears on that location. Next, you can see the date range option, from which you can give a particular range of date, that from this date to this date, I want my raster data. So the satellite imagery I want should be from 1st March 2022 to 5th April 2022. Here you can select the month of which month you want that satellite imagery, that is satellite data. So I deselect all other months and only select the option March and April. After that, there is the option of cloud cover. So as we want cloud cover less than 10%, I'm reducing this bar. And then I click on data sets to select the satellite sensor. So if I want image of LANDSAT, so I select LANDSAT collection to level 2. I click on that option and I check the first box of LANDSAT 89 OLI. After that, I click on results. So we can see between 1st March 2022 to 5th April 2022, this much data is available. So we can check the footprint, we can browse the overlay, and also we can see the metadata file here. And here there is option of download. So I click on download button. After that, we need to click on product option to see that there is a file of bundle of all the bands of Landsat 8 or 9. And there is option to download separate bands. So you can download separate bands as well. Each file you can download separate, or you can download whole bundle of Landsat. So this is all about how to download satellite imagery from USGS Earth Explorer. Thank you.